Hello everyone, today we're going to take you through a short overview of the ASUS ZenBook 14 UX434FL, where I'm going to talk about the basic details of the laptop and most importantly, its one-of-a-kind feature that you will get to see in this video. So hold on tight as you're going for an amazing ride. So even after being just 0.6 inches thick, it still manages to pack the minimum required number of ports. That seems to be really amazing. And not just that, it also has a frameless 1080p 14-inch nano edge display for the main screen and a 5.6-inch full HD Super IPS display for the screen pad. And oh my god, that's really amazing. And as for the screen pad, it's not just a touchpad but a place from where you can access many shortcuts. And when I say you can multitask, you can really multitask, which I'm going to show you right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a video on the main screen and let's say Excel on the pad, the screen pad. Now through this demonstration I'm going to show you how we can do multitasking on this laptop, which is really comfortable. Okay, so I have clicked open this Excel on the screen pad, and okay, the video is full screen right now, and I'm gonna remove the touchpad option on the pad. And as you can see, the app is in full screen mode in the screen pad, and I can literally touch anything I want, and it's registering the touch. So you can see I can even type just as if it's a whole secondary screen for this laptop, and to be honest there are no other laptops with this feature. And you can see I can even use the options, the various customization options that are within the Excel app. And yeah, these icons are very well visible. So that's all about this laptop, and that's not the end. You can do more with it. You just have to explore. It's in display in our store. You can come over and take a look at it, and who knows, maybe you might get one. Amazing offers are going on around, so see you in the store.